Back to our questions. Brad Lawler, Home Team Inspection Service. Harrison sent us an email. He listens to us all the time. He has heard us talk about a window open when it rains. Remember we did that a couple of weeks ago, I think, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, so he says he recently read that you should leave a window open in the winter. He says the article that he read claims it improves air quality, humidity control, odor removal, and mental well-being. Okay, and he wants to get our thoughts on it. What are you thinking here, Brent?
Well, I would just say from a building science standpoint, there's nothing necessarily wrong with keeping a window open. I will say, though, houses are very different. Many houses draw fresh air in very well. These high efficiency air conditioning systems that we have now turn over a lot of fresh air. So I don't know that you have as many problems there. Homes without central air, it's going to be a lot more difficult to move air around, particularly if you're doing a lot of cooking. Cooking will put a lot of pollutants in the air. A lot of moisture in the air. It changes a lot of things. So in houses without an efficient air conditioning system or heating system, that could be a problem. People who are burning wood in their fireplaces tend to collect some soot in their homes. So I think that having a little bit of cross ventilation with the window open might help with some drafting. Again, some homes are better without those windows open, though, because of the way that the flue is structured. So yeah, I'm not opposed to keeping a window open during the cold weather. Just understand that you're basically double conditioning that air, though, when it's moving back into the house. So your house may not be as energy efficient, but you certainly may feel more comfortable in a home with a little bit of more ventilation in it.
Good.
All I know is that I was told from a child, do not heat up the outside.
Keep the windows closed.
Right. Right.
Except that Sherry will leave the windows open all day and night, definitely through the night, as long as it doesn't get below 30.
Is this a message to your wife, Sherry, about leaving
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, okay. Sherry,
I've made that message before. It goes on deaf ears.
Yeah, don't blame me, Sherry. Don't blame me.
Or me, yep. If you're thinking of selling your home, we have a free no-obligation book, and it has hundreds of useful tips. If you'd like a copy, simply send me an email, bob@wesellouisville.com, and put selling tips in the subject line. I'll send it right out to you. And on that same note, if you're thinking about a home inspection, either for a new house, a resale, or your home to get it inspected prior to selling, you'd like to know what's involved with a home inspection, our friends over at Home Team Inspection Service have a report that you can get. Again, these are all free of charge, no obligation. Send me an email, bob@wesellouisville.com. Put the word inspection in the subject line, and we will send that report out to you.